Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is just like really short and sweet. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kimberly. Please feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today's video is in collaboration with Neflyonwigs. I hope I said that right. And guys, they sent me this body wave natural colored human hair wig, and this is a machine made wig. It's a definitely beginner friendly, girl. Like, there's no lace whatsoever on this wig. Do y'all know, like, back in the day when you had like a wig that was like, what you call that, it had a closure thing at the top, but not like a regular closure, like it was like woven around all the way to the top and you had no hair left out. Guys, when I seen it, I'm like, okay, I don't know how I feel about it. But after like finessing it, you saw the beginning, I ended up looking flat, but I was scared because there's no lace whatsoever. It's like, it's made like a wig back in the day. It only has combs and adjustable straps. Like, if you don't know nothing about doing hair, lace, none of that, then you can definitely get this wig. It's super easy. You don't have to do nothing at all. And guys, it has a bang, so none of your hair is left out. At first when I put it on, I was like, come on girl, you look like a doll. You know them fake little Barbie dolls? That's what it was giving me, and I was worried. But y'all know I finesse everything, and no hair formed against me will prosper. Even though that's not what the Bible says, but you know what I mean. Like, I'll make it work. And guys, this hair is 150% density. It is 100% virgin hair, so don't think it's like synthetic or whatever. No, it's not that. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want. So for the bangs, I use my Duval flat irons, and I do have a code for this flat iron. I think I'll leave it down below so you can get like a discount, and it is a titanium flat iron. So yeah, I used the flat irons to straighten the bangs. The bangs were stressing me out, like legit stressing me out at first, but you just have to play with it, especially with like bangs. I noticed you have to play with it until you get it to your like desired look, until it fits your face. So I did, like, you know, get my little scissors and cut some of the bang, not a lot, but just like those parts that were in my eyes and stuff. I cut it and I bumped it. And guys, for the I wouldn't even like call it a closure, but for like the section at the top, it is a closure, but it's just not lace. For that section, I used the hot comb, not the hot comb, my flat iron, and I straightened it real good because it was looking real crazy, and I straightened it. And then for the parts of the bangs that goes into the curls, I just used my hot comb and I straightened that, so it looked more seamless. And guys, the hair was so curly. I did not want it to be that curly. Like, it was tightly curled. That body wave was curly, girl. So I just used a lot of mousse on it, and that gave me the loose body wave look that I was going for after a while. So you really just have to play with it. And yeah, if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. Like, perfect. If you don't want to leave your hair out, this is perfect. I feel like this is good for like a protective style, especially in like the cooler times. And if you live in like a colder place and you know I'm sweating or whatever, you can wear this like all the time without doing anything to your hair. But yeah guys, this is the hair. It turned out real good, super simple. All you gotta do is just like mold it that one time and then you're good to go. Grab and go. I really loved how it looked. Like, if I'm being honest, I didn't know I was gonna like it, girl, but I loved how it looked. And yeah, if you're interested in getting this hair, all the links will be in the description box down below, as well as the length, because I don't remember what length this is. I think it's like a 20 or a 22 inch, but everything will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I told y'all this was gonna be short. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out a few of my other videos if you like this one, if you found this one interesting. I'm sure there are other videos that you like. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.